Hey guys, and welcome to another quick help video. So today I'm going to quickly show you how to download the footage from a Hikvision NVR onto a USB drive. Okay, so for this we go to playback and then select the camera you want to download the footage from. So I'm just going to select the main camera, and then any footage in blue means it's recording. Okay, now if you want to go a bit more closer to what's going on, we could just change the time on the left here, and now we've got a range of say we want to download the footage from 1 o'clock to 1:15. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Now to do that, we've got a little menu at the bottom here. So when you go to the bottom of the camera, we've got some icons here. We want clip. So we click on clip and then we choose our time. So I'm going to select 1 o'clock. Okay, to 1:15. And click on save. Alright, so now also our date is selected here. That's today's date, and the time is now selected. So now we're ready to export. We just click on OK here, and now it brings up our USB drive with the files on here. This is perfect. We're just going to save it into here and just click on save. And now to see if anything is actually happening, we go up here to download. So up here in the top right hand corner, we can see the progress. As you see now, it is downloading the 429 megabyte file onto our USB drive. That's perfect, exactly what we want. Now to view this file, usually most players might struggle with the files you download from here. So I advise you to download VSPlayer from Hikvision. It's a very easy tool to use. I've got a full guide, I'll leave it below. So I recommend downloading that, and then you'll be able to edit files, join files, find the bits you want so you can save them and have that footage ready for if you need it. Okay guys, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and check out our other channel if you're interested in more videos about Hikvision. So thanks, and catch you on another one hopefully. Bye bye.